Welcome to our deep dive into the secret lives of taxes and their fascinating journey. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery behind where your tax dollars go and how they impact our daily lives. Have you ever wondered what happens to the money you pay in taxes? From the moment it leaves your paycheck to its final destination, your tax dollars embark on a journey that shapes our communities and supports essential public services. We'll explore the various paths your taxes take, funding everything from education and healthcare to infrastructure and public safety. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the flow of tax dollars, but also appreciate their crucial role in maintaining the services we often take for granted. Get ready for an engaging and informative experience that will change the way you view taxes. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand segments, ensuring you leave with a clearer picture of how your contributions make a difference. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets of taxes and their impact on our society. Understanding taxes. Taxes are mandatory financial contributions imposed by governments on individuals and businesses, serving as a primary source of public funding. They play a crucial role in maintaining and improving the infrastructure and services that we rely on every day. Without taxes, essential services like education, healthcare, and public safety would struggle to function effectively. There are several types of taxes, each serving a different purpose. Income tax is levied on the earnings of individuals and corporations, while sales tax is applied to the purchase of goods and services. Property tax, on the other hand, is based on the value of real estate and helps fund local services, such as schools and emergency services. The significance of taxes extends beyond mere revenue generation. They are vital for supporting community services and infrastructure. Taxes fund public schools, maintain roads, and provide emergency services, ensuring that communities can thrive. By understanding the basic concepts of taxes, we can appreciate their importance in fostering a well-functioning society. Ultimately, taxes are not just a financial obligation. They are an investment in the collective well-being of our communities. The collection process. The collection of taxes from individuals and businesses is a systematic process designed to ensure that everyone contributes their fair share to public funding. One of the primary mechanisms for tax collection is payroll deductions. Employers withhold a portion of their employees' wages for income tax, which is then sent directly to the government. This method simplifies the process for individuals, as they don't have to worry about setting aside money for taxes throughout the year. In addition to payroll deductions, individuals and businesses are required to file tax returns annually. This is where taxpayers report their income, deductions, and credits to determine their final tax liability. Government agencies, such as the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, in the United States, oversee this entire process, ensuring compliance and accuracy in tax collection. Compliance with tax laws is crucial, as failure to pay taxes can lead to serious consequences, including fines, penalties, or even legal action. Tax evasion, the illegal act of not paying taxes owed, undermines public services and places a heavier burden on compliant taxpayers. Understanding the collection process helps emphasize the importance of fulfilling tax obligations and the role they play in supporting our communities. Allocation of tax dollars. Once tax dollars are collected, they enter a complex budgeting process that determines how funds are allocated to various public services. This process involves government officials and agencies assessing community needs, setting priorities, and making decisions on spending. Public input and policy goals often shape these priorities, ensuring that the allocation reflects the values and needs of the community. Key areas where tax dollars are spent include education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Education funding supports public schools, teacher salaries, and educational programs, directly impacting the quality of learning for students. Healthcare funding helps maintain public health services, hospitals, and preventive care initiatives, ensuring that communities have access to essential medical services. Infrastructure investments, such as roads, bridges, and public transportation, are crucial for economic development and connectivity. The allocation of tax dollars significantly impacts community development and public welfare. When funds are directed toward essential services, communities thrive, leading to improved quality of life for residents. Conversely, inadequate funding in critical areas can hinder growth and exacerbate social issues. Understanding how tax dollars are allocated helps citizens appreciate the importance of their contributions and the direct effects on their communities. Impact on public services. Tax funding plays a pivotal role in enhancing public services and overall community well-being. For instance, increased tax revenue allows schools to hire qualified teachers, invest in modern technology, and provide extracurricular programs that enrich students' educational experiences. Similarly, hospitals benefit from tax funding through improved facilities, access to advanced medical equipment, and the ability to offer essential services to underserved populations. The relationship between tax revenue and the quality of public services is clear. Higher tax revenues often lead to better funded programs, which in turn improve service delivery. Communities with robust tax bases can maintain well-staffed emergency services, clean public parks, and well-maintained roads, all of which contribute to a higher quality of life for residents. There are numerous success stories where tax dollars have made a significant difference. For example, cities that have invested in public transportation systems funded by tax revenue have seen increased accessibility and reduced traffic congestion. Additionally, initiatives funded by taxes to improve mental health services have led to better outcomes for individuals in need of support. These examples illustrate how tax funding not only enhances public services but also fosters a healthier, more vibrant community. Challenges and controversies. Taxes often spark heated debates and controversies, largely due to public perceptions and common misconceptions. Many people view taxes as a burden rather than a civic duty, leading to frustration and resistance. Misunderstandings about how tax dollars are used can fuel negative attitudes, with some believing that their contributions do not yield tangible benefits for their communities. One significant issue is tax fairness. Many argue that the current tax system disproportionately affects lower-income individuals, while wealthier individuals may exploit loopholes to minimize their tax liabilities. This raises questions about equity and the moral implications of tax policies. Additionally, debates surrounding government spending often center on whether tax dollars are allocated efficiently and effectively, with critics calling for greater transparency and accountability. Encouraging viewers to think critically about tax policies is essential. Understanding the complexities of taxation can help demystify the process and foster informed discussions about necessary reforms. By examining the challenges and controversies surrounding taxes, individuals can engage in meaningful conversations about how to create a fairer and more effective tax system that benefits everyone. Ultimately, a well-informed public can advocate for policies that promote equity and enhance community well-being. In this video, we've taken a comprehensive journey through the world of taxes, exploring how your tax dollars are collected, allocated, and ultimately impact public services. We've seen how taxes fund essential areas like education, healthcare, and infrastructure, shaping the quality of life in our communities. Understanding the budgeting process and the challenges surrounding tax policies helps us appreciate the significance of our contributions and the role they play in fostering community well-being. Key takeaways to remember include the importance of tax compliance, the relationship between tax revenue and public service quality, and the ongoing debates about tax fairness and government spending. By staying informed, you can engage in meaningful discussions about how tax policies affect you and your community. If you found this video insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from understanding the journey of tax dollars. Explore our related content to deepen your knowledge about taxes and their impact on society. Thank you for joining us, and let's continue the conversation about how we can all contribute to a better future through informed tax policies.